The caged bird sings a sad song. It wakes up in the morning in its cage, feeling depressed. Whatever it does is never good enough. It tries to sing, they shut it up. It tries to breathe, they hold its breath. It tries to reach out, but it's in its cage. The caged bird still sings. Have you ever found yourself where you cannot think of what the next day will be? You try to help, but your best is never good enough. You do all you can to make everyone around you happy, but you are accused of the effort you put in. You try to think, where did I go wrong? In sharing your thoughts, you get beaten. The caged bird sings. In its anguish, it thinks of ways to escape. And when it finally finds that way, the cage will be open and the bird will be free. Don't keep yourself in the cage. You don't deserve it. You deserve to be free. It's Pata Takbo. Stay safe.